So, folks, today we're going to take a look at how to edit photographs using Canva. So, I've created a file here for us to edit. This is a picture of a mural that I took a couple of weeks ago, and it's kind of looking a little flat, and I want to be able to use it on my website, but I can't use it in this state, so I'm going to need to edit it. So, first things first. First, select the image and then click the edit button, which is right on top over here. Now, there are two ways that I can edit it. I can either use some of the filters, which are down here. There are a lot of filters for you to choose from, different colors, different styles. And once you've chosen a filter, you can adjust the intensity with the intensity hotbar over here. Alternatively, I can also adjust it manually. You can click the auto adjust, which will move things around a little bit. You can change the light, the color, change various colors and how they make the blue more blue. Instead of having it blue, make it orange. And there's a lot of different stuff that you can do with this color editor over here. So I don't really like how this is looking right now, so I'm just going to click reset adjustment. And I don't want to have to do this myself, so I'm just going to go back to the filters, see all, and Capri. Now, Capri makes all the colors a little more vivid, and I like that in my pictures. I'm just going to adjust it a tad bit. So the reason I use filters is to get me starting ground. So I start off with a filter, and then I go back, go into adjust, and then make tweaks to what the filter has already done for me. So I'm going to reduce the brightness, increase the brightness a little bit. And I'm going to increase the blacks and a little bit of the contrast. Okay. For color, let's just saturate it so it's nice and full. And let's take up the vibrance a little bit. Now here's a bunch of different things that you can do. Up over here, you can select the area of the image. So you can have the whole, edit the whole image, the foreground or the background. This is using Canva's AI. It basically, you are able to select the sky and the target of the picture. Now, I don't want this sky to be white or cloudy. So what I'm going to do is go down here, increase the saturation, then increase the vibrance, decrease the whites, increase the whites, and tint, make the temperature cold. Let's increase the tint. And we're going to play around with the shadows. And there you have it, folks. This is how you edit pictures and photographs using Canva. Thanks. I'll catch you in the next one.